Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Let's see some beautiful crochet cute ladies handbag designs model. A crochet ladies handbag designs is a small to medium sized handbag created using crochet techniques, specially styled to look sweet, elegant, feminine and fashionable. It is loved for its soft texture, charming patterns and vintage cute appearance, making it perfect for daily use or special outfits. A crochet cute ladies handbags gives a feeling of sweet femininity, vintage charm, countess core and handmade fun, soft elegance. It matches beautifully with summer dresses, kurti, casual outfits, and vintage style clothing. Here are more beautiful and practical tips for crochet cute ladies handbag design. First, choose soft, cute color palettes. Use gently and charming colors like blush pink, cream whites, lavender, baby blue, peach, rose green, or black. These colors instantly makes the bag look cute and elegant. Use textured stitch patterns. Cute bags look best with shell stitch, puff stitch, popcorn stitch, cluster stitch, V-stitch. This adds soft 3D beauty and a cozy handmade feel. Add a small crochet decoration. You can attach tiny crochet flowers, leaves, bows, hearts, butterflies. Keep decoration small so the bag stays sweet, not heavy. Make the bag structured. To keep shape, use tight stitches, add fabric lining inside. Insert plastic canvas or felt. Use thicker yarn for the base. This makes the bag look neat and professional. Focus on cute handles. Handles make a big difference. Short crochet handles for handbag style. Wooden or bamboo handles for vintage look. Chain straps for modern cute style. Ribbon strapped handles for softness. Keep size practical. Cute bags casually look best when small to medium size, lightweight, easy to carry. Perfect for phone, wallet, lipstick, and keys only. Add charming closures. Try pearl buttons, wooden buttons, magnetic buttons, drawstring with tassels, metal clubs for vintage feel. Closures add both beauty and safety. Mix crochet with fabrics. Combine crochet with floral cotton lining, polka dot fabrics, lace fabrics, vintage print cloths. This creates a pocket-style handmade bag. Keep finishing wearing it. Always hide yarn ends carefully. Steam lightly, not directed. Shape the bag properly. Match lining color with yarn. Clean finishes makes the bag look premium. Add a theme. Design bags with themes like spring flower bags, cortiscore bag, vintage rose bag, pastel picnic bag, cute daily mini purse. Themes make your design more attractive and memorable. More advanced and creative tips. Use two-color or gradient yarn. Stage of one color. Mix cream plus pastel pink, base plus rose cream, white plus lavender. This gives the bag a sweet layered beauty. Keep a pretty base design. The base decided the quality. Use tight single crochet at the bottom. Add a circular or oval base. Use darker shade for the base to avoid jerk marks. A strong base equals long-lasting bag. Add lace-style borders. Finish the top with peacock icing, scalloped border, mini shell lace. This instantly makes the bag look cute and elegant. Use mini pockets inside. Add a small phone pocket, key pockets, stick pockets. This makes your handmade bag functional and professional. Add tassels or pom-poms. Use ear tassels, cotton thread tassels, mini pom-poms. Place them on corners or cheaper sides for cute movement. Choose the right yarn thickness. Best yarn sizes medium foreplay for soft, cute look. Thick yarn for a structured bag. Cotton yarn for neat finish. Avoid very fuzzy yarn for handbags. Make matching sets. Create bag plus coin purse, bag plus phone pouch, bag plus keychain. Sets look very attractive for selling or gifting. Add a logo or tag. Attach handmade label with a tag or the tag. This gives a brand style finish perfect for a small business. Keep weight balanced. Do not over decorate on side only. Balance flowers, buttons, and bows evenly. Design for seasons. For spring, use floral pastel bags. For summer, light cotton bags. For autumn, use beige, brown, rust tones. For winter, thicker yarns and cheaper colors. Seasonal designs feel more fashion forward. Use soft feminine shape. Cute bags look best when rounded edged, curved tops, mini bucket shapes. Avoid sharp box shapes for cute style. Photograph beautifully. If you make videos or post, use white or wooden background, add flowers or lace cloth, natural sunlight. Presentation makes your bag look extra charming. Design with emotion, not only pattern. Think about the feeling. Think sweet girl mode, cozy afternoon tea vibe, soft countryside charm. When emotion guides the design, the bag looks more alive and soulful. Use light contrast carefully. Add contrast gently. Cream base plus soft rose flowers. Base bag plus white lace. Pastel bags plus pearl details. Too much contrast removes the cute softness. Keep stitches even and calm. Cute bags look best with same tension throughout. Smooth stitch flow. The tight, loose changes. Neat stitches equal elegant handmade beauty. Add vintage rust bar details. Try antique style metal clamps. Wooden buttons with curvings. Lace ribbon edged old style floral lining. This creates a romantic vintage story. Create a signature flower. Design on a special crochet flowers and use it in every bag. Change only the color. This becomes your design identity. Make bags lightweight. Cute handbags should feel soft in hand, easy to carry, comfortable on shoulder. Avoid heavy yarn and too many accessories. Keep inside as beautiful as outside. Use floral cotton lining, light pastel fabrics, lace-edged pockets. A beautiful inside creates this luxury handmade feeling. Add soft movement. Movement brings life. gentle tassel swing, ribbon tie, drawstring tuck. Very small motion equal very cute. Design bags for everyday stories. Imagine morning market bag, afternoon cafe purse, evening walk mini bag. Story-based designs feel more meaningful. Thank you so much for watching this video. I think today's ideas will help you. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!